Hello, in this video we are giving you an overview on navigation menus on your website. This video assumes that you already know how to edit the website, and if you don't, please look at the website help section of the backend. Now, this is a navigation menu right here. It's a list of links to other pages on your website or links to essentially anywhere. Now you can edit this yourself, and first of all we have to go to the dashboard. So click on the title of your site, and then you need to go to Appearance and Menus. Now, depending on your account privileges, you may not be able to see the Appearance section, and if you don't and you want to, then you can just contact us and we will grant you further administrative privileges. First of all, we'll talk about adding menu items to an existing menu. So first of all, you want to make sure that you've selected the correct menu. So we've got two here, main and quick links. You can see here that this one is already applied to the main navigation menu. So in this case, that one is already selected. Then what you want to do, there's a few different things you can add to a menu, but generally, very often it is pages. And your list of pages are here. What you want to do is you want to click View All. So this will give you a list of all of your pages, and then you can scroll down and find the one you want. Or you could click Search and then search for, say, the contact page. And then click Contact, click Add to Menu, and then you will see it is added to the bottom there. Now, if we wanted to move this bottom contact elsewhere, it's just a simple drag and drop, and then if you click Save Menu and then you go on the front end, you'll see that now we've got a contact here and a contact here. Obviously we don't want contact twice, so we can get rid of that, and the way you do that is by hovering over Page and then clicking Remove, and then save the menu, and that has then been updated. And then if we refresh this page, you see that that contact has gone. You could also add a custom link to your menu. For instance, if you wanted to link to a specific file in your website, or if you wanted to link to, say, Google or something like that. So let's get a URL of an image on our website. So we'll go to the media library, and then we will click on the sand here. We'll copy the link of the image, and then we'll go back to the menu, go to custom links, type in the URL here, paste that in, and then give this the link text, which is what actually displays. Then you can click Add to Menu, and then if you click Save Menu, you see images down the bottom there. We refresh the page, image is there, and then we've then linked to that image. And we don't want that, so we will remove that there. Sometimes you want to rename the menu item, which is what actually displays here. For instance, About Us, Services We Provide. Let's say Services We Provide is too long, and we just want that to say Services. So Services We Provide, it gets that name from the page title. So by default, it will be the page title. But what we can do is we can just delete that. Delete the navigation label text, just so that it just says Services, and then you'll see it's updated there. If you click Save Menu, click Refresh, you'll see that this is now Services. The final thing we want to do is create drop-down menus. That is when you hover over an item and it can have child items. And it really is quite simple, it's just dragging and dropping. What you want to do is, first of all, you want to add the elements you want to be child menus. So for instance, let's add testimonials and contact and Services We Provide again. And they are now down under there. And let's say we want them to be children of services. So what you do is you drag it under services, and then you just indent. And then you can just drag the other one directly as a child, and then this contact. And then you can see now that services, all three of these are now children of it. If you wanted to actually remove that, you can then just drag it up or down to unindent it. But let's keep 3 children there. Then you click Save Changes, and if you go back to the front end, you'll see that it's automatically added a little down chevron there, and you'll see that now there is a child menu, just like that. And your theme should support one more as well, so if you wanted to go even further down, we could once again add a few more menus. So let's just add these 3 again, a few more pages, and under services we provide, we could then drag these so that they're indented once again. So now you can see that this is the parent of this, this, and this page services we provide is the parent of these 3. And click Save Menu. And then if you refresh, you'll see that there's a little arrow next to services we provide, and the end here is the second drop-down menu. And with a child menu or parent menu, what's quite handy is that if you then drag this, it drags all of its children around as well. And you click Save Menu, refresh, it is now at the end. That is an overview on menus. If you want to see more information, you can visit the website help section of your website or knowledgebase.co.nz.